Hey y'all, what's poppin'? My name is Tyler. If this is your first time watching me, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also make sure that you hit the bell so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. So today's video, I wanted to do a vlog style hair routine. I truthfully just want to get out of the house because I've been trapped in my apartment for weeks now. So I had an idea to go to Target, find some affordable hair products that I could do like the perfect wash and go with, because all of the products that I have in my closet, I've used pretty much everything in there. And I just want to find like new products to use on my hair. So right now it's around like 4 o'clock. So I'm going to go to Target, come back home so that we can get into this wash and go. This one smells really good. I like the way that this Miracle Curls cream pudding smells. It smells really good. Smell this one. They both smell good. I like both of the smells. What is this? Miracle Curls Refresher. Comment below if you guys have tried any of the Aussie products, because this is my first time trying out their products. So I think I'm going to use these two products to do a wash and go. So let's head back to the house. Okay, so we are back from the store. I showered, I shampooed and conditioned my hair. So my hair is fully washed and I just put it in a loose bun. So let's go ahead and get into the products. Before I show you guys these products, I'm gonna spray them down with some Lysol. So hold on. No Rona for me. So the first product that we are using is the Miracle Curls Frizz Taming Cream. This is with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. Next, we're using the Miracle Curls Cream Pudding with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. And last but not least is the Miracle Curls Curl Refresher. This is also with coconut and Australian jojoba oil. It says it has a maximum hold of 3. So yeah, and all of the products smell really good. So that's also a plus. So I really want to make this tutorial as real as possible. So instead of having like music in the background, I'm going to be watching / listening to the housewives. That's something that I do normally when I'm doing my hair, when I'm not filming videos. I feel like it's better if you guys can just watch me instead of me trying to explain exactly what I'm doing or which products that I'm using first. You can just watch me and see exactly what I'm doing.
It is. I'm a good friend. You can't stay with me, but I will take you out and help you find a place.
I thought this was a very simple surgery.
No, it's not.
Why do I need a whip?
I don't want your man. I'm not gonna walk around wearing some scarlet letter on me.
I want to give this woman the benefit of the doubt, but unfortunately, that's not gonna happen.
Success is in my DNA. When one door closes, another one opens.
Very excited to take this class.
What we're doing right now is just
Hi.
getting the body warmed up.
Okay.
I'm just gonna open these guys up.
I'm no stranger to having my legs up in the air upside down, but I digress. I'm gone with the wind. Woo!
I need her to get some new sayings. We're done with Gone with the Wind fabulous. The wind is gone. It's blown away.
Hi, Jimmy.
That's crazy.
Woo!
Hey, you ready to... Okay, I know we briefly discussed, the whole situation. I'm talking about the whole Apollo situation. You and Phaedra weren't on the best of terms, right? So, why would you still leave them up from time to time? It's a lot of people saying a lot of things. Let me go get my phone and I'll show you the text messages because I have not erased them. What I want to know is, why is Candy so focused on me and Apollo? She needs to be focused on her and her man and who he may or may not be texting while she's here trying to find out who I've been texting. Okay, he goes, how are you doing? Out of the blue. I go, hey Apollo, I'm good. How are you? I'm cooling. I'm surprised you're reaching out to me. I thought you hated me. That's me saying that. No, well, I don't hate you at all. Then he goes, are you in Atlanta? No, I'm in LA right now. Then he goes, I was just there on a solo project. Oh, good for you. How long are you going to be in LA? I think a few more days. Why? What's up? I was going to talk to you about some stuff. I'm in Philly now. Okay, I'll hit you when I get back, or if it's important, you can call me. So you can read for yourself.
We don't say LOL thanks babe to somebody else, but we just keep moving.
Well, all of the texts are straight, babe.
Kenya and Apollo should have known better than to be texting each other. Both of them were wrong.
You give me so much attitude in this conversation. You are getting turned up.
Whenever anyone has a conversation with you, you overtalk people, you hold your point, and you like, I'm not finished. You don't want people to interrupt you, but then you're constantly interrupting the other person.
You know what, Candy? Everybody always tries to make me out to be the bad guy.
Maybe it's not good.
I'm not the one that's always in the mirror. Did you marry me?
No, the question is, why would you marry him?
Because I wanted a husband. I wanted security. I wanted a family. I wanted what I thought it would look like. That I'm not pregnant because my husband hasn't really been trying. I put on my lingerie, I worked out, I kept my body up, and I felt like, hey, what is going on?
But you continue to protect him.
And I just, yeah. But and that's why I'm coming to you now, because I'm like, how can I need to get.
Y'all, I really like these products. They're just gliding right through my hair.
Hey, don't you how he was putting all of them? Who likes this dress? How you doing? You look good. She's upstairs. Well, I can't go get her up to go shopping.
Well, did you?
What are you doing? You are not in bed.
I am in bed.
Ain't nothing wrong with you. We can make her shop. You gotta get up. I can't believe you are not.
I am.
See, you have on eyebrows, blood.
I had to put on something just like you was coming.
Well, I was coming over here to go shopping.
Now, just because you have stuff done, that means the
Hey,
same thing.
you do not have to buy the doctor's orders. Come on, you can go out
You're
there.
a horrible influence. I'm gonna call the house
Let's
and tell
go,
you out of my house.
I'm really upset that Cynthia and Nene are no longer friends. That really just like, it bothers me. I hope one day they can get back to how they were before. The comment below, who is your favorite housewife on Real Housewives of Atlanta?
The ghetto. The ghetto. The ghetto.
Not the ghetto.
Kenya, if you got a dog in there, you better put it up.
You have seen them 100 times.
She sounds like she's a Doberman.
Oh, look at you.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, you dressed all show. Where you live?
You look good.
What is this, honey?
I had to move out of Kanye's house of horrors. I thought this was the best option for me on short notice. This is not where I live. This is my.
This is where you live, honey. Let me see what's going on. Oh, Elvis, show me around. Let me see. I was shocked, honey. I was in tears almost. Yeah. Kenya is in a 2.3-star hotel. She definitely didn't want to pay over $129 a night. Man, but you're not going to sit with me, honey.
You have the same vibe. Why you act like that?
Okay, Kenya. I've called my realtor, and we're going to go look at some places. And I also have a helicopter on the roof to take us up out this camp. Okay? Who knew we were going to be twirling back to the hood, honey? Take that shit about this, because I thought about it earlier and I didn't get a chance to ask you. How is it with the man you were dating?
I met a wonderful man in Nigeria, and my African sweetheart spoils me like a queen. Of course, because I am the queen. I love that man.
Oh God.
Ooh, Kenya. You know, he always sound aggressive to me. What is your name? You're like, really?
That's not true. Nene, where are you getting this from?
What is your name? I'm like,
Are you
nothing.
thinking about coming to America?
What would you like to drink? I'm like, nothing.
Really, Nene?
And she was telling me something about she met with Kenya, brought up all the, texts and stuff. After talking to Candy about Textgate with Kenya Hormore, I just want to talk to Apollo so that I can put this all to rest because I'm sick of hearing about it. Kenya said out of her mouth that nothing happened in LA and that you were basically lying, that she never saw you, that nothing ever happened. And she showed Candy all the text messages.
Okay. Wow. So I'm crazy. Again, nothing happened between me and her. She was supposed to be.
Thank you. A text.
I didn't initiate the text.
And she said that you were texting her well after we had fell out.
I don't recall.
Don't text my friends. You shouldn't do it.
Baby, I'm a grown man. You're not my
I'm not
mama.
saying I am your mama.
But at the end of the day, man, listen though. You gotta lighten up, man. I mean,
You know, at the end of the day, you got to think before you really dealing with any old cuckoo bird.
Baby, you brought her.
Apollo shouldn't have been responding to Kenya because we were not friends. What he sees as being harmless, I see as being inappropriate.
Wasn't intended to offend you, okay? You do know that. In your heart,
It didn't happen no more. Don't do that again.
enough with your threats.
That should be the rule.
Guess what? If we didn't have this conversation and you saw me and her talking, you'd be like, why are you talking to her? It would be an issue too.
Yeah, it will be a problem.
So now, you make it seem like, oh, I shouldn't say nothing to her.
No, I mean, we have a conversation about with her. And if you think you do, you better rethink it. This is not a laughing matter. This is something that I am very upset about, and he's really pissing me off.
I did nothing that's inappropriate.
Okay.
Nothing. The whole way across the board. What I said is what I said. She wanted, okay, she wanted to have sex in LA. Okay, I chose not to. I left and went to another hotel. Real simple.
But you, about 2 seconds from me cutting at your tongue.
I'm ready to go.
I might have to kill him with this damn steak knife.
Whose case is this?
How are you gonna help me do this play if you go on a job for 6 months?
That's what we need to talk about.
If you want to take the job, take that job.
My sister surprised me about a week ago. I thought she was coming for the weekend. She's like, she stayed 2 months. What planet are you from, Holly? Don't agitate the situation. Well, wait a minute now. It's like you don't text, you don't call, you are a bad friend. Period. Oh my God, Nene.
America's pregnant. People think they have me figured out, but I'm always the wild card.
Okay, so I just sprayed my hair down with the water so that it can absorb all of the product. And now I'm gonna use some of the curl refresher to finish it off so that when it dries, it'll be popping. This smells really good. I'm gonna get it all over. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. I did a middle part. My hair smells really good. The curls are super defined, so hopefully it dries perfectly. I'm gonna spray a little bit more on this side. So I think it's gonna take around like 3 hours for my hair to dry. So once the 3 hours is up, I will come back and show you guys the final result. So hours later, my hair is finally dry. It's like 90% dry. It's still wet in like certain areas, but for the most part, this is what my hair is looking like. I didn't pick it out or like stretch it or anything, so I'm gonna do that now. So I'm just gonna take my pick and try to hide that middle part as best as I can and just kind of like stretch it out. See, it's just so much bigger. I like big hair. These products are so good. Like, they're so moisturizing. My hair feels so soft. It smells so good. I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but these products were only $4. So that is a really good affordable price, and you get bomb amazing results like this. Another thing that I like is that I didn't have to use any gel, so my hair isn't crispy. It's like really soft, really bouncy. It's like really fluffy, and I love that. Like, I feel like the camera is not even doing my hair justice. Now I'm gonna use this Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. This oil smells really good. I'm only gonna use a little bit. That was actually a lot of it. I just wanna focus it on my ends. In the back. Just kind of brush it over the curls. So I absolutely love how my hair turned out. I would absolutely recommend these products to you guys. So I'm definitely gonna leave a link down in the description box for you guys to click, so that if you guys wanna try out these products, you absolutely can. The best part about these products is the smell, the hydration, and the price. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I don't know what you guys are waiting for, like the ones that are not subscribed. I don't know, like, if you're waiting for me to, like, you need to subscribe now. Hit the button, hit the bell, so that you get notified. You know the spiel. You know what I'm about to say. And also follow me on social media, like Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will leave all of those down in the description box as well. And I don't think there's anything else that I have to tell you guys other than I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in my next video.